Annapolis continues to enjoy being a seller's market, with homes going under contract in 9 days while list prices continue to rise. It's Friday, July 3rd, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Zip code 21401 has 113 properties for sale at a median list price of $989,000, and these have been offered for 55 days. 13 properties went under contract this report at $550,000 median list price and in 9 days. Zip code 21403 has 97 properties for sale at 49 days and a list price of $625,000. There were 7 new contracts in 9 days at a median $900,000 list price. Zip code 21409 has 43 properties for sale listed at $689,900 and active for 51 days. 8 went under contract this report at $832,000 in 10 days. Annapolis inventory has slipped this report to 253 properties for sale, and the median list price is $774,900. These have been listed for a median 54 days. Coming soon properties are down to 20 with a list price of $788,950. 27 properties went under contract in 10 days at a median list price of $655,900. 39 properties sold in 6 days at 100% list to sold ratio, and the median sold price was $664,000. Rentals in Annapolis fell to 47, listed at a $3,025 median per month list price. 7 properties leased over the past week with a median lease rate of $2,550 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 3rd, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your holiday weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.